I'm so bored. At least I can take pictures for my socials. Look at this one, Dad! We look cute, huh?
Come on, kiddo.
I'm right behind you!
It's vacation time! Oh no! My bag broke!
What? No!
Are you seeing this?
It's so funny! Look at them!
Hey, that's not very nice, buddy. Are we gonna have a problem?
Yeah, what he said. They're trying to be mean.
Let me think. I have an idea. I'll make a tear in my t-shirt. Well, another tear. I'll slip them over my arms. This is just what I need. Load them up, honey. There's room in the back.
Wow, I'm impressed.
He's a genius. I sure am. That's how we roll. We've got a flight to catch. I bid you good day. So long, losers.
Did he just call us losers?
You show them, Dad!
I'm just glad we pack light.
This game is great!
That's nice, honey. Ugh. The flight is still delayed. That's just typical. I thought vacations were supposed to be relaxing.
I'm sleepy.
You can't sleep there. That's for hobos and poor people. Wait. I have an idea. Up you come.
What's happening? Oh, hey, Dad.
Just give me a second. I'll need your suitcase. I'll lay it flat, and then I'll open it up. I'll move this blanket. Now you have a cozy spot to sleep.
Thanks, Dad! I can't wait to try it out! Ah, it's so snug.
This article is so interesting. What's happening with this flight? Oh! 5 minutes? We're gonna miss it! We need to hurry up. You just stay there. I don't want to wake her. Gotta go.
There's nothing like a good book.
Whoa! This is amazing!
Oh, I'm tired.
Yeah, me too.
It's been a long day.
Ah, that feels good. I might close my eyes. Just for 5 minutes.
Aw, would you look at that?
Ugh, I can't get comfortable. This chair is so hard. Come on. This is so annoying.
Really? That's what you're doing? Are you serious?
It's not my fault. Blame the person that designed this chair.
Don't do that. Look what you've done. Wait. I know what to do. I'll need these sweatpants. I'll stuff them with my clothes. I need to pad them out. A few more should do it. There, that looks about right. Look at this, sweetie.
What is it?
It's a pillow.
It's so soft. It's perfect. Thanks, Dad.
The things I have to do. Now, where was I?
What? I'm looking at it right now.
He's always working. Even on vacation.
No, you listen to me. Hello? Can you hear me? Speak up, man.
What's wrong with this? Great. I'm out of battery. Oh, I have my charger right here. That's handy. I hadn't finished shouting at them. It's the best part of my day. Hello? Ah, there you are.
Uh-oh! I drank too much soda! Daddy! I need a pee! It's a code red!
Give me a second. This is an important call.
Dad! Please!
But hang on. I'm going to pack the porta potty. You'll need it. Trust me. That girl drinks too much soda. Have a great trip.
Okay.
Well, that's a convenient flashback. My wife thinks of everything. What am I waiting for? There it is. It's missing one thing. I'll need a plastic bag. We don't want any puddles. I'll line it with tissues. Then I'll put the seat on top.
Phew! Just in time! Here it comes! Ah, that feels good. All done, Daddy! Phew!
It's so hot in here. I need a drink. Ah, here it is.
Ew, that looks good. Can I have a drink? Go on, please.
Just a sip. I mean it.
Ah, so refreshing. That was good. Ooh, there's one drop left.
What have you done? It's empty.
Sorry, Dad. And now I need a pee. Dad?
I tried to warn you. The toilets are closed. This might be a problem. What are we gonna do? Yeah, I know. I have just the thing. Just hold on. Where is it? Ah, the chair. This'll solve everything. Watch this.
Oh! I've no idea how I did that.
Who are you? How did you do that?
I'll put this bag over the seat. Your throne awaits. Go on.
Cool. Thanks, Dad. Ah, that's more like it.
My work here is done.
Oh, there's more.
I better give the old glasses a clean. I mean, there's fingerprints all over them. No wonder everything was blurry.
Dad, my tummy's rumbling. I need food. I'm so hungry.
What? We ate this morning. Ugh, okay. Let me see what we've got. I'm sure I packed snacks. I thought this might happen. This is what I'm looking for. Check it out.
Gimme, gimme!
Oops. Almost forgot. I better put my glove on. Now I can grab a cookie. Here you go.
Wow! Hand it over! Mmm, it's so tasty. I love cookies. That was delicious.
Yikes. Look at your teeth. They're disgusting.
What are you talking about? Oh, there's a little bit of cookie on them.
Don't. Just stop. You need to clean them.
Are they that bad? Fine, I'll clean them.
That's my girl.
I'll need toothpaste. They'll be sparkling soon. Mmm, minty.
Don't miss any spots.
I'm finished!
Good job, sweetie. What am I gonna do with this? I'll put it under my hat. On second thought. Nah. That's a bad idea. Wait. The glove. Yeah, that'll do. I'll lay a glove on a flat surface. Then I'll slide the toothbrush into it. It can go in one finger. There's plenty of room. I can't forget about the toothpaste. Now I'll fold the glove over. Pretty neat, huh?
You're so smart, Dad! I'll make a fold right here. Then another across here. This is hungry work. I need a snack. Dad, I need some food.
Leave it to me.
Ooh, wow! That's good service. You've earned this. This looks good. It's just what I want. Nice crunchy fries. And a juicy burger.
Is that better?
Thanks, Dad.
Ew. Gross.
Huh? What's wrong?
You've got lettuce in your teeth. This won't do.
Wow, you do everything. I could get used to this. Don't forget the sides. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for your help. What am I supposed to do with that? Where am I gonna put it? Whoa! What's that? Is it a toothbrush holder? It is! This is perfect. It's got space for everything. Thanks so much. How are they looking?
Pearly white. You deserve this.
Aw, you're the best. Vacations are supposed to be relaxing, but getting there? That can be stressful. Especially when you're a parent. That's why we've come up with these essential hacks that'll start your trip the right way. What's your best travel hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel